In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to write a fraction or a mixed number as a decimal. So remember, the number on top always goes inside the house. So our number on top is 5, which means our 5 is going to go inside the house, and the 9 goes on the outside. 9 cannot go into a 5, so we would drop a decimal and add a 0. Put a line straight through it to keep it organized. And 9 can go into 50 5 times, because 9 times 5 is 45. So we'd subtract 45 from 50, then we'd have 5. And we'd bring down another 0. 9 can go into 50 5 times again. We'll subtract 45 from 50, then we'd have 5. Bring down another 0. 9 can go into 50 5 times, and 9 times 5 is 45, so we'd subtract 45, and as you can see, this pattern would just keep going on. So our answer would be 0.5 with a repetend or a line over the 5 to show that it's repeating. Moving on to number 2, we've got -1 and 1/7. So you could do this a couple ways. The way I like to do that is to change this fraction to an improper fraction before dividing. So we've got 7 times 1, which is 7, plus that 1 on the numerator, which is 8. So we're dividing -8 by 7. So inside the house, we'll put our 8, and on the outside, we'll have our 7. We drop a decimal and add a 0. 7 can go into 8 one time, so we'll put a 1 above that 8 and subtract 7 from 8. So we'd have 1, bring down the 0. 7 can go into 10 one time, so we'll subtract 7 again. 10 minus 7 is 3, but 7 cannot go into 3, so we need to add a 0 and bring that 0 down. 7 can go into 30 4 times, because 7 times 4 is 28, and we could just stop there. Normally I'd have you go to the thousandths place and then round. However, just for today's purposes, we'll stop there.